What's up guys, it's Mr. Rodkey. We're not in school right now for obvious reasons, so what I plan on doing in my class is I'm just going to give you some easy experiments that you can do at home with materials that you probably already have since you're not going to be able to go to the store that often. I'm thinking most of you have probably already seen this one before, but it's just to help you out with understanding why it's important to wash your hands during this time and use soap because water's not going to do it, and you're about to see why right now. You're not going to need much for this. I have a couple plates here that are deep enough to hold water. I have some great value pepper. I have this cup to help me measure, some soap that I also got from Walmart, and a cup of water. The first thing I'm going to do is put 1 cup of water in this measuring cup. And remember, I'm only measuring this out because you don't want to change more than one thing in an experiment. I don't want to put 10 cups of water on this plate and then 1 cup of water on the other plate. That would just be silly. Cool. Alright, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some pepper in both plates. And these peppers are going to serve to be our germs. So you can see it, and this is what germs are going to do when I wash my hands. So I'm feeling like balling out today. Let's put 10 in each, 10 little spritzer thingamabobbers in each plate. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Normally you would also want to measure out how much pepper you're putting in each plate, but I know this isn't going to change the end of the experiment, so I'm just going to do it like this. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to wash my hands with just water. So I know a lot of you being nasty, you're not putting soap on your hands after you use the bathroom, okay? Wash your hands with soap. Right now I'm just using water, and I'm going to put my finger in this germ-filled plate. We're going to see what happens. Not much, nothing crazy. And if I take my finger out, you can actually see some pepper on my finger, some germs left on my finger. Now I got nowhere to wipe this off. Okay, I wiped my finger off. Now I'm going to put some soap on this finger to show that I'm washing my hands with soap. Look at that. Wow, I'm going to dip my finger in this water, clean it all up. Now look what happens when I put my finger with the soap on it in this plate. Wow, a lot more happy. You see all the germs, all the pepper going away from my finger. I can do the same thing over here. Soap on my finger. All the germs go away. And that's why it's important to wash your hands, not only with water, put some soap on your hand, okay? You need to get those germs out of there, especially now with the coronavirus going around. You want to be as sanitary as you possibly can. I know you have the materials for this at home. Try it out. You got the time. You're not doing anything else. I know all you're doing is playing Fortnite, making TikToks. Do the science experiment. It takes like 4 minutes. Just do it, okay? Try it out. Leave a comment. Tell me how it goes. Have a great rest of your day. I'm out.